Hi, Deadlock's here again with the reveal of the restoration handcuffs. And I was going to make a video of us polishing them up. Well, I did make a video of us polishing them up, but it was horrendously boring, so I never uploaded it. But I've waxed them and I've left them a couple of weeks because I was having problems with them re-rusting. So I left them a couple of weeks to see if they would re-rust. And this is what they looked like before. And now, this is how they look. Nice, shiny, you can see the writing. Now, the bad side, where that black rust was, the black rust is still there, but it's shining and it's smooth. It's just like telling a little bit of a story of what's happened to these cuffs. Still there on the inside too. This is the other side. Everything's nice. For some reason on the camera it looks like there's rust there, but I can't see that not looking through the camera, so I'm thinking that's just a trick of the camera. Yeah, been out for a few weeks and haven't rusted up again, and as you can see,
they're looking pretty good.
They work lovely. That's all from us. Oh wait, it's not all from us, because I also sourced a key for them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'd forgotten about that. I got them a key just for these cuffs, so I'm not using the key from other cuffs anymore. And yeah, as you can see, works great. And that's all from us. See you next time.